Okay, what is this from the top? I don't know. Maybe that looks like a thunderstorm. A thunderstorm? What is it going to do to us? Wow, that was kind of loud.
Yeah, that was loud.
We have to be careful of the lightning. If it strikes up to us, we are in so much trouble.
Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen.
Whoa, that was so cool. Let me just give it a touch. Don't do it, you'll get zapped. I'm not gonna see it. Watch this.
Come here, boy.
Oh my god, I got lots of electrical power. I'm gonna shock you guys. Oh no, don't! 3, 2, 1.
Ouch!
We are so electrical.
We can have fun. Yeah, let's go and have a zapping time. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Ah, yeah! Yeah!
An awesome thing to get our zappies for lightning.
Yeah, let's go have fun.
You're right. Having a zapping time. Yeah!